Tikotkotan Beach and Palapan, Isabela. It is have a white sand and clear blue water, and this beach middle ground between two beautiful mountains of Sierra Madre and Pacific Ocean. Tibulo Falls and Barangay Dibulo and Dinapig at Isabela. These waterfalls known and considered as the one of the highest waterfalls in Cagayan Valley and one of the most visited eco-tourist attraction in Isabela province, and its stunning the natural beauty. Our Lady of the Pilar Parish Church in Cauyan City at Isabela. It is also known and considered as the oldest Catholic church in the province of Isabela.
Binalay, a sweet rice cake made from glutinous rice flour and coconut milk wrapped in banana leaves and steamed.
Pansit Kabagan, a savory noodle dish with thin crust noodles, pork, shrimp, and vegetable, and a rich soy-based sauce, often served with a side of vinegar for dipping.
Ginisang munggo is a popular dish in Isabela, where mung beans are considered the black gold of the province in San Mateo. Isabela is known as the munggo capital of the Philippines. Balatong Festival. In San Mateo, the Balatong Festival celebrates mung beans, locally known as a black gold, due to their economic value. The festival showcases the town's agricultural products and cultural heritage, drawing attention to the importance of mung beans farming. Baja Festival. Celebrate in San Pablo. This festival promotes the local cattle industry. The Baja Festival is held every January 15 and aims importance of cattle farming in the area. Binalay Festival. Held in Ilagan City, the Binalay Festival honors a traditional rice cake called Binalay. Binalay is especially significant during Holy Week as a symbol of patience representing the body and blood of Christ.
For us, Isabela has remarkable potential in tourism due to its diverse landscapes, from the mountains of Sierra Madre to the Cagayan River. If we continue to develop and protect our natural attraction, support local communities, and promote our unique culture and costume, Isabela can attract more visitors and significantly boost its economy. Tourism can create jobs, preserve our heritage, and showcase the unique identity of Isabela to the world.